3-1, ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are two numbers in parentheses that represent an x and a y value. X always comes first, y always comes second. So, all of these are ordered pairs. 6, 7, 9, -2, 4, 0, -8, 2, -4, -3. Ordered pairs. X first, y second. Parentheses always. To determine or decide whether an ordered pair is a solution of an equation, you take the ordered pair and you remember that x comes first and y comes second, and you substitute both numbers in for the x and y in the equation, and you see if it works, if it makes it true. So, in this case, you would say 5 goes in y's spot, so 5 equals 3 times 2, because 2 is x, plus 2, and you would do the math. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 does not equal 5. So that means that this ordered pair, the ordered pair 2, 5, is not a solution of this equation. So your answer would be no. When it says determine whether an ordered pair is a solution, it means tell yes, it works, it makes it true, or no, it doesn't. Here's another one. Y equals 3x plus 2. Determine whether 311, the ordered pair, is a solution if it works for y equals 3x plus 2. So you plug it in. Remember, the first one's always x, the second one's always y. They're alphabetical. And you're going to plug everything in. So since y is going to be 11, we're going to go 11 equals 3 times 3, because x is 3, plus 2. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So this is true. It makes it true. It makes it work. So we write, yes, that is a solution. We're saying, yes, this works for this. It's a solution. Okay, next part of video homework. You are going to determine, which means tell yes or no. Determine, tell yes or no. Is this ordered pair a solution for this? Does it work? Yes or no? Is this ordered pair a solution for this? Does it work? Yes or no? Okay, next kind of problem. Look at the directions. Use the given values to make a table of solutions, okay? Given values. They're going to give us some values. We're going to make a table of solutions, which is also known as an input-output table. Okay, those are just the directions. Then here's the problem. It's an equation. And here are 4 different values for x. So we're going to try this out for x and find y, and this out for x and find y, and this out for x and find y, and this out for x and find y. And we're going to do it in what's called an input-output table, or a table of solutions. Here is what a table of solution looks like, or an input-output table. You take the equation that they have given you, and you always put an x column first and a y column third. And in between them, you put the x side of the equation. Notice, this is the x side of the equation. It's right here. And at the end, you put ordered pairs. And then remember the values they gave us? They said 4x equals, and then it said negative 1, negative 4, not negative 1, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. So what they're doing is they're telling us the x's. So you take those values to fill in the x column of the chart. So fill that in. This is negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Now, we're going to take them one at a time, and we're going to put them into this, do the math, and find out what y is. So, we go 4 times, what's our x? Negative 4 minus 1. Well, what is 4 times negative 4? Negative 16. So negative 16 minus 1, that's negative 17. Now, we're going to make an ordered pair. And x always comes first. So that's negative 4, negative 17. That's our first ordered pair. So now we do the whole thing again for negative 3. So 4 times negative 3 minus 1. That's negative 12 minus 1, which is negative 13, which gives us negative 3 for x, negative 13 for y. Now, let's do it with the negative 2. 4 times negative 2 minus 1. Well, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. So that's negative 2, negative 9. Now negative 1, put it in, 4 times negative 1 minus 1. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So that makes negative 1, negative 5. We have 4 sets of ordered pairs, and we completed the input-output table. It said, use the given values to make a table of solutions. We just did that. Okay, let's try another input-output table or table of solutions. Remember, these directions say use the given values to make a table of solutions. Every time you do this, x is first, y is third. In the middle, between them, you write the x side of the equation. Over here, you're going to have ordered pairs. So, then they gave us the x values. We just have to write them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we plug the x value into the x side of the equation to find out what y is. So 2 times 1 minus 1. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our ordered pair is 1, 1, because x and y are both 1. Next line, 2 times 2 minus 1. Well, that's 4 minus 1. That's 3. So our ordered pair is 2, 3. Next line, 3 times, no, not 3, 2. That's a 2 still. 2 times 3 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's the ordered pair, 3, 5. Next line, 2 times 4 minus 1. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 1 is 7. So 4, 7. And now you're all done. You filled out the chart. You got all the parts. You found the ordered pairs. You just made an input-output table or a table of solutions. Here's the last of your video homework. Have a great day.